Give a man a fish, and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. That is exactly what was done by ESWADE through LUCIP2 and MTN through the MTN Foundation as they joined hands to empower youth from Spofaneni by rehabilitating 2 tunnels where 20 young people are growing tomatoes and green, red and yellow peppers as a means of capping youth unemployment. The youth underwent rigorous training to ensure that the project is a success. Talking about success, the youth had a bumper harvest in the first year where 30,000 emalangeni worth of peppers were sold to Namboard and Mr. Veg. This exceeded expectations as official projections were half the amount. Through the National Agricultural Marketing Board, the youth has already secured a sustainable market for their produce. Namboard assists by collecting the produce in readiness to send to relevant markets.
MTN ngemali nganga 250,000 kodwa bese ngithukula amakhophi bekunalinye leseNtsabankhulu sathi iyadivide emkhathini imali zathola half ke la ngekhathi ke silima tamatisi ngetinhlobo taphepha letintsathu lokungi-red, yellow and green.
It is hoped that through the funds generated by the youth, they will go on to start other businesses and most importantly, provide employment opportunities for other youth from the area.